Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a GIF image to your Steam profile. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your username there, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select View My Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where you can customize various elements and showcase your content. Now, on your profile page, look at the right panel. You'll see several options there, and you want to click on Artwork. This section is where all your uploaded images and creations are displayed, and it's the perfect place to add your GIF image so other Steam users can see it when they visit your profile. Next, click on Upload Artwork. This button will open up the upload interface where you can add new images to your profile. At this point, you'll need to specify whether your artwork is related to a specific game or not. Click on Not Game Specific since you're uploading a general GIF image that isn't tied to any particular game in your library. After that, you'll need to give your artwork a title in the designated field. Type in whatever name you want to identify this GIF by. This title will help you and others identify the image later, especially if you upload multiple pieces of artwork to your profile over time. Once you've entered a title, click Choose File. This will open your computer's file browser, allowing you to navigate to wherever you've saved your GIF image. Click on the GIF image you want to use, then click Open. This will attach the file to your upload and prepare it to be added to your Steam profile. Now, before you can finalize the upload, you need to confirm that you have the rights to this image. Scroll down until you see a checkbox beside the text that says, I certify that I created this artwork. Go ahead and check this box. This is Steam's way of ensuring that users only upload content they own or have permission to use, which helps protect artists and creators. With everything filled out and certified, click Save and Continue. Steam will now process your upload and add the GIF to your profile's artwork section. This might take a moment depending on the file size, so just give it a few seconds to complete the process. Now, to verify that your GIF image was successfully added to your Steam profile, head back to the upper right corner and click on your username again. Select View My Profile from the drop-down menu just like you did at the beginning. On your profile page, click on Artwork in the right panel once more, and you'll now see your GIF image displayed there along with any other artwork you've uploaded. And that's it. You've successfully added a GIF image to your Steam profile. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.